So in this video, we will be finishing off this one-page website for your business. We're going to be doing the menu, the footer, and then we'll install all the little things to launch it. And then from there, we're going to do each one little thing in a separate video. So let's say we want to do transactional email. We want to get people's email addresses, them to sign up to our newsletter. That needs MailChimp, so we'll do that in a different. We want to do a different security for the website, will be in a different one. But for now, we're just going to all put it into our website, all the things, and we'll go list by list. So today we're going to do the menu and the footer. So let's get started. Okay, here we go. Our menu is going to be home, our services, portfolio, testimonials, and contact us. Yeah? Okay, so let's go into our dashboard, sign in, and let's go into menu. Actually, we're first going to go into the home page. We need to add an ID for each page. Like, look at this. When we click on the menu, it comes afterwards, and you won't be able to see this. But services, okay, it takes you to the services. The portfolio takes you down to the portfolio. We need to give each section an ID. Like this, so we'll know where to go till. So let's go into pages, all pages, into our home page. And let's enable the visual builder when it loads. Yeah, sometimes it takes time. And we open it in a new tab. I guess it's easier to work. Go backwards and forwards. Hope it goes. Sometimes it messes about. You know what? The pros far outweigh the cons of this. Okay. So let's put in all our IDs. So we go into this section, the services section. We're going to go into advanced, CSS ID and classes. Let's go into the CSS ID and let's put services. Let's just write services. You don't need to do capital letters, just lowercase. Good. Let's go into the next one, portfolio. Go into the section, that's the blue one, into the settings, into advanced, CSS ID and classes, CSS ID. We're going to do portfolio, portfolio. If you have a different section in your page, something related to your business, then you can do it to whichever one you need. Just write a title that you're going to remember. So testimonials, let's write testimonials, testimonials. Save that. Let's take it to contact us, to the section. Advanced, CSS ID and classes, CSS ID, contact us, or just contact. Great. Now let's just save this page and we can close it. Save. Good. Now let's just save here as well. I like to save everything the whole time. And can you see here the template says blank page? Let's put it on our regular page, default. So let's change it. Whoops. Blank page, let's do our default template. We want the menu that comes with Divi. We don't want to create our own menu. So let's do that. Okay. Now we're going to go into appearance, menus. This is where we're going to create our menu. So we have no menu, so we're going to create new, but we can create it here. Whoops, it opened up a whole new thing. If you have already one menu and you want to create a new one, you can create new by clicking on that. So our menu name is going to be main menu because that's our main menu. Menu. And create menu. Now we only have one page, so it's not going to come up any of these your pages over here, any of the sections over here. We're going to go into custom links. And we're going to, by the URL, cross out this HTTP, whatever, put in a hashtag, and then the ID of what you wrote in. So we're going to do services, so let's do service, so hashtag services, and the link text, this you write it as you want it to be, so as you want it to be seen. So services, make sure it's capital S, add to menu. Let's save menu, I just want to see if it's working. Here we go. No, I don't see anything. Oh, maybe we did we refresh it? I think we did refresh it. I'm quite surprised it's not here. Oh, I know, Michael, we didn't set it. So we need to display, we need to tell it where to set. So we're going to set it to our primary menu. Save menu. And now let's refresh this page, it should go. But we didn't tell it where to go. Always need to remember to tell it where to go. Great, see, services, let's see. It took us to our services. Let's go all the way down and let's check. See, it took us to our services, yay. Okay, so now let's just put in all the different IDs that we need to do. So we're going to add another custom link, take this away. We have portfolio, portfolio. You have to spell it exactly as it's spelled in the ID or it won't go. Portfolio, add to menu. We have testimonials we're going to add to the menu. Hashtag. Hey, I forgot to do a hashtag. Okay, I'm going to do it soon. Testimonials. Let's just copy this. Control C. Control V. Make it a capital T. Add to the menu. I want to change this portfolio link. I think I didn't. Yeah. Hashtag. Good. Save menu. Let's see what else I need to put in. So we have services, portfolio, testimonials, and contact us. Contact. And I'm going to write it. Contact us. Add to the menu. And then, if we do want it to go to the top of the page, maybe we should make, I don't want the whole page to load again. If you put in the home page, look, we're going to put this home page in and then click add to menu. Save menu. Let's refresh this and check what we've got here. See, if we do home, it's going to refresh the whole page. I don't want it to refresh, I want it to scroll back up. So we should give an ID to this section over here of home. And when it's going, and just like it does to the other ones, it scrolls up and down. So let's enable the visual builder. Put in a new tab. And let's put ID in the first section. Remember, section is blue, row is green. So advanced, CSS ID, home. Now let's add it in our menus. So I want to take away this home one. So you click on this down arrow and click on the remove. Great. Let's add a custom link. Hashtag home. And let's call it home. And add to the menu. Now I want home to be the first thing in my menu list. As we can see here, home is the last. So I want it the first. So look what we're going to do. We need to just click it here, anywhere where you get these 4 arrows, and just drag it up. Good. And save menu. If you want to do a mega menu kind of thing, where there's a child page underneath. So under services, you can have different types of services, different sections for different services. So you'll put the different services down here, just drag it under. Let's see how it's going to look. Save menu. Sub menu items. That's the word I was looking for. Let's refresh. See, under services, portfolio and testimonials. But we don't want that. Let's actually see how this works when it goes down to the portfolio. Same. So you can have different services and it will take you to different sections of the page. I like this one-page website for a small business that doesn't have so much to write. But you basically want to get... Oh, I want this out. Good. Oh. Okay, let's get this one out as well. Good. Now. Home, services, portfolio, testimonials, contact us. That is perfect as I want it. This one, let's see now what it looks like. Now, if you don't like to have this bar at the top, you see, when you're working on the page, so we're going to go into our settings. Our settings are down here. General. And there is a setting that we can change. Okay, so it's not in here. Maybe it's in our... Let's go into here. Edit my profile. Okay. Here we go. Show toolbar when viewing the site. I don't want it to show the toolbar, so I'm going to take it off. I guess I can see the website straight away. Yeah, I'll have to come into the back end the whole time too, if I want to make changes, but then I can always have another tab open, special. So now let's refresh, and we're going to be able to see the website properly. Okay, that's looking good. Great. Now there's one problem. I really don't like this white menu. Let's see how you can have. Oh, and we didn't give this button where to go to. See, we need to give it to the services ID, the link. Let's quickly do that, and then we'll be able to see. So let's go back to. Oh no, we can do it straight from here because this is open. Let's go into this button. Let's link it. So put that text up and bring on the link. Services, hashtag services. And it should go. And it opens in the same window. Let's save. Now let's refresh this. See how we can help you. Beautiful. If you like it like this, perfect. But I'm going to show you. Also, I don't like the search button. What they're going to search here. I don't need them to search anything. I'm not sure. Did we? I don't think we uploaded the logo yet. And can you see this footer? I want to get rid of this footer because I want my footer, the copyright and the web design kind of thing, on the same image. It will look much nicer. So let's see how to do that. So we're going to go into Appearance, Customize. Let's go into the header navigation because we want to do this header and navigation. So I like it the way it is, the header and the format. Really, you could change it. You could do a centered where your logo is in the middle and underneath it is your menu. You could do a centered inline logo. So basically your logo is in the middle of your menu. So you have a few menu items here. Look, I can't show you like this, but should we publish it? No, but that's what's centered inline. Yeah, let's publish it to show you what it looks like. This is see? It's inline. The logo is in the middle. If you like it, good, so do it like that. We can have the slide in. Let's publish it and let's see what that is. So it comes this like little icon and it comes in to the side. If you like it, you can use that. I personally don't. Sorry about that noise. And then let's try the full screen one. Let's see what that one looks like. Let's publish. So we're going to click on this menu and the whole page becomes a menu. But we don't need it for this one page website. So on this one page website, I think I like the inline centered one, centered inline logo. Perfect. Now click this back arrow. If you click the back arrow, then it's going to save. If you click this cross exit, it's not going to save. You need to press publish. Now we're going to do the primary menu bar. We're not going to hide the logo image. We don't need to make it full width. Full width means that's going to go from this edge till that edge. I don't need it like that. I can have it just with like a bit of a margin on that either side. Menu height, you can make it longer, taller, smaller. The logo max height, if your logo is too small or it's cut off, you can make it always bigger. The text size, I want my text to be like 17. 16 is fine. Letter spacing, I don't, it's fine as it is. So the default theme font that we already did last time. Active link color, we already did one last time. And then the menu, the drop down menu animation. If you have a drop down, you can change it to fade, expand, slide, flip. Flip is quite cute. Okay, now we want to go scroll back up and get into this arrow here. Secondary menu bar we don't have. Fixed navigation settings. Okay, we want to have this menu background color right over here. So now it's set to white. You can change it to whatever you want. So let's see what colors we want it to be. You can make it any color. Maybe we can make it a bit this gold color. I can't see it, it's not changing. Let's see, let's publish it and let's see what we'll come to. Yeah, see? Well, if you like it, you can keep it to this color or make it a color that suits your theme, your font, your whatever you're doing. So let's do it like a darker brown maybe. Yeah, like that. And then we want to do the menu link colors. So if it's a dark color, something wrong here, it's not showing it to me. I need to click publish every time. Usually it changes right there and then. Okay, let's just check. See, I want it a much lighter color. So, like this grey is quite good. You can see the grey. So I'll make it a greyish kind of color. Or whitish more. Good. And then when it's actually on that section of the page, so active primary menu link color, the active link color, I want it to be this light color again. Yeah. So let's publish. Let's see. Beautiful. So home takes you all the way back up. And because we have it set that it should hide and then only come on when scroll. Oh, but when we click the link, the logo is going to refresh the whole page. It's too bad. Maybe we can see if it changes. Testimonials, contact us, services. It's looking good. Okay, now let's change our logo. So once I've published it, make sure to publish it. Click on the cross and we're going to exit. We need to upload our logo. So come into the Divi settings. And we can upload our logo from here. So see, logo, upload. Upload the logo. Should have it on your file somewhere. If I do this Divi one, let's see what will happen. It's white and my menu is a different color. So it's a dark color. So let's see. Beautiful. Yeah, it's very nice. I really like it. Let's see when it's on. One thing I do like, that when it's on the active link, it doesn't change. It's meant to be a different color. Let's go back to our customizer. We said it should be this like yellowy, orangey color, light color. Header navigation. It was in fixed navigation settings. Primary menu link color, we did. Secondary menu link color, we don't have. Active primary menu link color. I already learnt my lesson. You click it once and it means that there's lots to scroll down. No. I don't know. Maybe I need to refresh the whole thing or wait a little bit. Sometimes these problems happen. You just need to wait a little bit and refresh the pages. Try it again. That's how it works. It didn't go. Not sure what it is, but I'm sure it's something. If I play around a little bit, I'll find what is the problem. Okay, now we want to take away this footer. So again, we're going to be in the customizer, appearance, customize, and I found a little piece of CSS that we need to put into our custom CSS. And it will take it away. So let me see what I did on this website here. Just 1 second. We're going to get our password for it. See. Log in. Let's go into our customizer. I made a video on it, how to get rid of the footer, of the Divi footer. Now it's on actually in custom CSS. Additional CSS. So it's hashtag footer bottom, display none. I'm just going to copy it from here. But you can copy it from here, or maybe it will be in the description. Copy it, and let's paste it into ours. Additional CSS. Control V. Publish. Let's go out of here. Now our footer is going to actually be, let's refresh. It's just going to be a Divi module, a normal Divi module. And you can, the sky's the limit with what you can create here, because you can do it however you want. You're not bound by anything. Let's see what we did here. Let's close it. And let's go to that page. What was original? Let's see what we have here. So it's a text module. centered, and I've done a link to all of these. So these aren't actually links. If you want, you can put a menu, so you link every word that you have here with about 10 spaces in between each. And then I have this copyright symbol and web design by me. Web Excel. It's not yet up and running, but it's going to be one day. For now, it's just rosadiamond.com. So we want to first of all save, refresh the page, and let's just add. Now this bar is not going to be here anymore, the top bar, because we changed the settings in our profile. Okay, so let's add a section. Well, no, we're not adding a section. If we add a section, we lose this background. We're just going to add a row. Let's see where we can add a row. That green one over there. Let me just show you something. If it's really hard to find all these little pluses, we have, click on this purple thing, and we have here, we can go in the wireframe. We can do it from here. All different ways. It's really good. Sometimes it's much easier. Or we can do it. Okay, now we're in the wireframe, so we can't see. But let's go back into the desktop version. Let me close this. And I just want to see it all. See everything. Now, as I click this grid, and I can see everything has got its row and its column. It's much easier to be able to find what to plus, where the plus is, how to edit a section, and all that. Let me just take it off. I want to go into the wireframe. And we're going to add a row. It's going to be a one column row. It's going to be text. Let's go into the visual. And we have home. So let's type in home. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we have portfolio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Services. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Testimonials. We'll just buy the contact us, but we can do it again. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Contact. I like it capital. Okay, now if we highlight this and we add a link, all we need to do by the URL is do hashtag contact our ID. Okay. Now for the testimonials, same. Add a link to it. Hashtag testimonials. Testimonials. Yeah. Okay. Services. Add a link. Now, can you see this target? If you do none, then it will just scroll back up. If you're doing a new window, it's going to open up in a new window, in a new tab. Whatever they're clicking on the link. It's just for your reference. Okay, services. Okay, I think services should be first before portfolio. For now, it will be. It will do. So let's add a link for portfolio. Hashtag portfolio. And hashtag home. Add a link. Good. Now I think I'm not going to like the colors of this, so let's color it. All of it. Let's add a color. So you can choose what color. If you want, you can do it on the other side. No, actually, we can do it in the design. So text, and then you can color it here. So it will be dark or light, I want it light. And let's make it white maybe. It's a link. I wonder if it's going to. Let's see if it's going to be white. Oh, it's going to be your links, what you did in the customization. Okay, yeah, see, it's the link color. Oh, it's the normal text color that we did. Whatever it is, it's not this funny color that we have for links. So now let's center it because it's not centered. So let's enter the row, design, align, center. And now let's align the text, design. I think for this align we need to scroll a little bit more. Oh, it's actually in the text. All the way at the bottom of the text thing, see? Text orientation, center. Save. Okay, now we're going to do a copyright. So it's also again a text. Let's search for text. There it is. And let's do copyright. So copyright symbol. Let's Google copyright symbol. Copyright symbol. HTML. So W3 Schools is where you can learn HTML, but you can find it here. So let's see. Copyright symbol, here it is, it's and copy. Control C. Let's do and copy. So Control V. This, and now let's come back to our normal visual. There we go. I'll make a space. And whatever the year and whatever your business name is. So copyright your business name. So let's make it with Excel. 2017. And then if you want, you can make this pipeline. It's near your, I don't know if you have a PC. It's near the shift key on the left side. So this pipe thing, and then you can do designed by Wizard Diamond. And again, I want this the link to my website, but this time I want it to go in a new window because I don't want them to go away from this website. So URL will be my .com. Okay, there we go. We did not center it. I forgot to center it. So let's design text. Oh, we didn't design this text at all. Let's do light. And now let's center it. And let's see our beautiful website. Oh, this color is our active link, is our link color. It's actually a very nice color. That's why. And see, and we made this white. We could make this the same color as that if we want. Looks like it's basically the same color, the link and the not links. Whatever I did here, but you can do it whatever you want. But I think that's a beautiful website. It took a very long time, but once you get the hang of it, it doesn't. Oh, we forgot to take away the search bar on the menu. So let's go into the customizer again. And let's go into header navigation. Let's see, fix navigation settings. We don't want to hide the logo image, so it's not here. Header elements. Show search icon off. If you want, you can show social icons, but I don't want. Let's see. Beautiful. Well done. Excellent. Okay, so now to launch it, we need to do all the I told you, the securities and the security for all the emails that people are gonna send you, and and then emails to get them to be able to send them emails and all that. So that will be the next thing, and then we're gonna go through each one. Good luck. I hope this helped you. If you do, thumbs up, subscribe, and looking forward to help you in the future. If you need anything else, write it in the description, in the comments. Let yourself know to do it for you.